There's a magical little farm in Pattaya, where kids laugh, couples create memories, and every click of the camera feels like a fairy tale. Welcome to Pattaya Sheep Farm. But this isn't just any farm. Here, you can hand-feed sheep, chase playful rabbits, and chat with colorful parrots. Mini rides for kids, heart-shaped gates, dreamy windmills, and cute castles. Every corner is Instagram perfect. Whether you're with family or your partner, this place reconnects you with nature and with your smile. And the best part? When you book with So Simple Trip, this dreamy experience comes at just 150 baht. I'm Litesh, and this is So Simple Trip. When you're in Pattaya, don't just party. Feel the pure vibes too. Now go ahead and enjoy these visuals, and I'll see you in the next video with another hidden gem. So Simple Trip, remember the name.